Canva AI 2.0 is here, and it completely changes how you design. In this video, I'll walk you through every new AI feature with real examples, so you know exactly what's new and how to use it. Let's start with how to access it. On the left sidebar, click on Canva AI. You'll see a notification about Canva AI 2.0. To activate it, there's a text box. Type Activate Superpowers, then press Enter. That's it. Canva AI 2.0 is now active. You also get a 7-day free pass, so you have to make good use of that. Once it's activated, you'll notice something at the bottom. It shows a memory feature. Click on Create About Me. Now Canva AI will scan all your existing designs and documents. Based on that, it will automatically create a personalized profile for you. This page contains all the information about yourself, your name, what you do, your style, and how you work. So from now on, every design Canva AI creates will match your style automatically. That's how powerful this memory feature is. Now let's look at the first big feature. It's called Conversational Design. This means you just describe what you want, and Canva builds it for you. Let me show you an example. I typed this prompt. Create a social media post announcing a 50% off sale for a clothing brand called Style Hive. Make it bold and modern. And look at what happened. Canva created multiple designs with layout, colors, text, and images, all done automatically. Keep the one that you like. The best part? Everything is editable, just like a design you made yourself. Here's something even more useful. I typed a new prompt. For example, create an Instagram post and a YouTube cover. Canva AI created the YouTube cover right away. For the Instagram post, it noticed I had already created one earlier, so it skipped making a new one. You can type to create a new one, and it will create it. This is perfect for beginners who don't know where to start, and for experienced users who want to skip the setup and jump straight to editing. Now, this next feature is where things get really impressive. It's called Agentic Orchestration, and this is what separates Canva AI 2.0 from everything before it. Here's the idea. Instead of asking Canva to make one design, you give it a bigger goal, and it figures out everything on its own. For example, I typed, I'm launching a new coffee brand called Brew Morning. Create a full launch package, Instagram post, a flyer, and a presentation cover. Watch what happens. Canva AI doesn't just make one thing. It understands your goal, picks the right tools, coordinates them, and generates multiple outputs. Before this, you'd have to make each design one by one. Now, one prompt, everything done. This is basically like having a design assistant who knows Canva better than you do and just does the work. Okay, feature 3. And this one solves a problem that has annoyed people with AI tools for a long time. Here's the problem with most AI design tools. When you ask them to change something, they mess up the whole design. Canva AI 2.0 fixes this. It's called Object-Based Intelligence. I selected one of the designs from the coffee brand package. Then I typed, change the headline to The Future of Coffee, and swap the background image to something more minimal. See what happened? Only the headline changed. Only the background changed. Nothing else moved. This is what they mean by object-based intelligence. The AI understands that your design has layers and individual elements, and it only touches what you asked it to. For anyone who's ever had an AI tool ruin your design just because you asked for one small edit, this is the fix. Canva AI 2.0 also has some powerful workflow features. Let me show you 3 of them quickly. The first one is connectors. You can connect Canva to apps like Gmail, Slack, Google Drive, and Google Calendar. Once connected, Canva AI can pull information from your emails or calendar and turn it into a design automatically. The second one is scheduling. This lets you set tasks that Canva AI runs automatically in the background, even when you're not online. For example, you can schedule Canva to create a daily social media post every morning. The third one is web research. I typed this prompt. Research the latest trends in sustainable fashion and create an infographic. Canva AI searched the web, pulled the latest information, and created an infographic, all in one go. No copy pasting, no manual research. Just one prompt. And that's Canva AI 2.0. To quickly recap, persistent memory. Canva learns your brand and style over time. Conversational design. Just describe it, Canva builds it. Agentic orchestration. Give a big goal, Canva handles everything. Object-based intelligence. Edit one thing without breaking anything else. And connectors, scheduling, and web research for full workflow automation. If you found this helpful, please like the video. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more Canva tutorials. I cover new features as soon as they come out. And comment below, which of these features are you most excited to try?